みなさい、ゼタちゃん。ゼタ見ないの寂しかったです。今日も可愛い。ありがとう。ねえみんな。私日本語、どんどん上手くなってるかも。ひひ。Actually, I think, I heard from my senpais as well that my Japanese is getting better. Cause I keep, you know, like, if I'm being forced in an environment where I have to survive, using a language, I guess it makes you kinda, you know, it makes you kinda learn it faster. Yeah nga sih? Oh, last time you watched me was a year ago. That is so true. Oh my, that is so true. No, it's not a year ago. You tricked me. It's still January. It's January, right? Oh, it's January. I don't even know what date it is. Oh no, it's so bad. So where do I even begin? I was actually supposed to be home faster, but then I missed my flight. I'm not even kidding. I wish I'm kidding and I'm making it up for content, but I missed my flight and it's okay. That's a whole nother story on its own. Was supposed to meet up with Kobo and Kanaeru, and then I'm just like, where are you? So the thing is, I missed my flight. Nah, but it was kind of funny though. I don't see it as a hassle. Yeah, it is a little bit of a hassle. I was actually kind of like, it was actually a hassle, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even kidding, it was a hassle. But it's fine. Things happen.